In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Finviz for Forex trading. Now, first of all, it's important to note that you can directly trade Forex on Finviz. However, it provides a great tool to actually do the analysis and see what's going on and whenever you want to actually invest and how you want to navigate around Forex if you're actually trading it. So go ahead and go to elite.finviz.com or just to finviz.com, create an account over here or sign in if you have one already, and then go to the Forex tab up top over here. Now here you can see three things. You can see the quotes, you can see the performance, and then the third one is charts. Now all of these can be very useful if you are a Forex trader. So you can see basically all the quotes in one place. You can hover over them, you can see the graphs, you can see how the markets are doing the last 5 minutes, the last hour, the last day, week, or month. You can see down here the 1-day relative performance in USD as well. You can go ahead and if you go to the performance tab, you can see everything a bit more in detail down here as well, and you can filter by different things, or you can just go to charts over here and you have a great multi-chart view where you can basically click on any of these charts. You can analyze it, you can draw on these charts, you can full screen them, you can basically do whatever you want over here and use this as kind of a tool for chart analysis. So that's pretty much it, and whenever you're done, you can just go to any of the trading platforms for Forex and trade Forex on there based on the information you obtained over here from Finviz. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.